Did you know that over $110 trillion is expected to change hands through inheritance by 2040? It's a staggering figure, representing a massive transfer of wealth across generations. Inheriting a fortune might seem like a dream come true, a one-way ticket to Easy Street, but is it really all it's cracked up to be? The truth is, inherited wealth is a double-edged sword, capable of both empowering and crippling its recipients. On the one hand, it can provide financial security, open doors to opportunities, and free individuals from the daily grind of financial worries. But here's the flip side. Inherited wealth can also breed complacency, stifle ambition, and create a sense of entitlement. It can strain relationships, attract unwanted attention, and even lead to a loss of purpose and direction. Greed can rear its ugly head, causing conflicts and tearing families apart. So, is inheriting wealth a blessing or a curse? The answer, as with most things in life, is not so simple. Let's look at this question in 8 ways. Number 1. A heart-wrenching tale of 2 siblings. Contrasting fortunes. Let's delve into a true story of 2 siblings who inherited significant wealth, revealing both the advantages and disadvantages, especially the conflicts arising from greed. Meet John and Emily, both in their early 30s, who received a substantial inheritance from their late parents. John, always responsible and prudent, saw the inheritance as a blessing. He wanted to invest the money wisely to secure their future. He envisioned using the money to pay off debts, invest in education, and ensure long-term financial stability. Emily, however, viewed the inheritance differently. Driven by a sense of entitlement and greed, she wanted to spend lavishly and enjoy the wealth immediately. The siblings' differing views led to heated arguments and a deep rift. While John's approach highlighted the potential benefits of inherited wealth, Emily's greed showcased its pitfalls. Without proper financial management, the inheritance might be squandered, leaving both with nothing but regret and broken family ties. Have you inherited any amount of money or assets lately? How did you deal with it? With wisdom, misappropriation, or greed? Comment down below. 2. The lives of the ultra-wealthy are often portrayed in the media through a lens of glamour and extravagance. We see images of luxurious mansions, exotic vacations, and exclusive parties. But behind the facade of wealth and privilege, inheritors often grapple with a unique set of challenges. They may struggle with feelings of inadequacy, guilt, or a lack of purpose. The pressure to live up to family expectations, manage vast fortunes, and navigate complex social circles can be overwhelming. The reality is that inheriting wealth is not always a smooth ride, as it can be turbulent. Consider the parable of the prodigal son in Luke 15:11-32. The younger son squandered his inheritance on reckless living, only to find himself destitute and longing for purpose. However, inherited wealth can provide opportunities for philanthropy, personal growth, and financial security. Balancing these advantages and disadvantages is key to finding purpose and fulfillment in the midst of inherited wealth. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. 3. The psychological impact of inheriting wealth can be profound and multifaceted. Some individuals may experience a surge of excitement and joy, followed by a sense of security and relief. Others may feel overwhelmed, anxious, or even guilty about their newfound fortune. One common psychological challenge is the sudden wealth syndrome, characterized by feelings of isolation, confusion, and a loss of identity. Inheritors may struggle to reconcile their previous life and values with their new financial reality. They may question their relationships, their purpose, and even their own self-worth, making it crucial for inheritors to have a strong support system in place to help them navigate the emotional and psychological challenges that come with inheriting wealth. 4. The impact of inherited wealth extends far beyond the individual inheritor. It has the power to shape families, communities, and even entire societies. When used wisely, it can be a force for good, funding philanthropic endeavors, creating jobs, and driving innovation. However, the mismanagement or hoarding of inherited wealth can exacerbate existing inequalities, create a culture of entitlement, and stifle social mobility. It can lead to a concentration of wealth in the hands of a few, perpetuating a cycle of privilege and disadvantage. The way wealth is distributed and managed across generations has profound implications for the social fabric of our society. It raises questions about fairness, opportunity, and the role of individual responsibility versus societal support. Ultimately, the impact of inherited wealth depends on the choices we make, both as individuals and as a society. 5. The inherited legacy, more than just money. Inheritance is often associated solely with financial assets, but it encompasses much more than just money. It includes intangible assets like values, beliefs, traditions, and even social capital. These non-financial inheritances can be just as impactful, if not more so, than monetary wealth. Think about the values your parents instilled in you, the work ethic they modeled, or the importance they placed on education. These intangible inheritances shape our character, influence our decisions, and guide our paths in life. On the other hand, it can provide financial security and opportunities through taking the right decisions, enabling the next generation to pursue their dreams and ambitions. 6. Navigating the labyrinth, the gold standard and beyond. Managing inherited wealth wisely is crucial to ensure its positive impact. However, inherited wealth can also lead to conflicts driven by greed. It's not just about preserving capital, it's about making it work for you and for future generations. One avenue worth exploring is investing in tangible assets like gold. Gold has been a store of value for centuries, acting as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Consult with a financial advisor to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment timeline. 7. The parable of the talents, a timeless lesson. The parable of the talents, a story told by Jesus in the Bible, offers a powerful lesson about managing inherited resources. In this parable, a master entrusts his servants with different amounts of talents, a unit of currency at the time, before going on a journey. The servants who invested their talents wisely and multiplied their value were rewarded upon the master's return. However, the servant who buried his talent out of fear and inaction was reprimanded for squandering his opportunity. This parable holds a timeless message for inheritors. Inherited wealth, like the talents, is not meant to be hoarded or squandered. While inherited wealth can provide a significant advantage, it also has disadvantages. The key is to manage it wisely, ensuring it benefits not just the individual but the entire family and future generations. 8. Inheritance, a catalyst for growth or stagnation. The question of whether inheritance is a blessing or a curse is ultimately a question of perspective and individual choice. On one hand, it can be a powerful catalyst for growth, empowering individuals to pursue their passions, make a difference in the world, and create a lasting legacy. However, it can also lead to stagnation and complacency, if not managed responsibly. Additionally, the key lies in recognizing the potential pitfalls, seeking guidance, and approaching inherited wealth with a sense of purpose and responsibility. If you find this video intriguing, please like, share, and subscribe for more.